How to disable WorldRemit account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can disable a WorldRemit account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. To disable a WorldRemit account, which means to close or delete it, or maybe even just deactivate it, you have to contact the customer support team. And to do this, just go to worldremit.com, then log into the account. Then you're going to see the help option from the top of the navigation menu. You want to make sure to click the help button there. Once you click the help option, you're going to land on this page as you can find them, and once you find them over here, you're going to see this type of interface. Then under how can we help you section, you'll find an option labeled as managing my account. You want to make sure to click the managing my account button here. Once you click on managing my account, over here under managing my account again, you'll find an option called how do I close my WorldRemit account, right? So just look for this help article and just make sure to click on it. Then over here you can see how do I close my WorldRemit account. To disable your WorldRemit account, please contact us. So that's what you want to do. You want to just click the contact us link here. Once you click on the contact us link, you'll just take it to the contact us page of WorldRemit, where if you scroll down, you'll be able to see a list of different help support numbers that you can use to call depending upon which region or continent that you live in. For Africa, for Asia, Australia, Oceania, or Europe, or wherever else, you should be able to find those countries respectively here. Just call their specific number in order to get help and support from them. Let them know that you want to disable the WorldRemit account. This way you can disable your WorldRemit account. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.